Okay, so this one's different. I've already done the translation for you. I need you to describe how did I slide this shape around. So with questions like this, you have to figure out which is the pre-image, meaning which of these triangles came first. So is it the one on top or is it the one on bottom? It's the one on top, right? I know this shape on the bottom came second because this one has the primes, right? A prime, B prime, C prime means that's the second shape. So we started up top. So this shape moved down and it also moved to the right. So I need to figure out specifically how far down and how far right. So we're going to count. You can count from A to A prime or B to B prime or C to C prime. You just have to go from one letter to that same letter. So I'm just going to do A. So A went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces to the right. So the translation was down 9 and right 4. And then they ask me for the ordered pairs for just A and A prime. So I don't have to do all of them. So point A right here is located at -6 and +1. And A prime is located at -2 and +8. And that's it. Oh, sorry, that's -8 for A prime. -2, -8.